Welcome to Gordon Marketing. Let's get started. The first step in really teaming up together is to get contracted. And here is my expert, Sylvia Gordon. Sylvia, what can an agent expect when they go online to do our online contracting? Is it instantaneous? Are they automatically set up? Walk us through the steps.
You go on to the website and you click Get Contracted Today. You're going to put in your information once. The problem is that you think you typed in your information, you hit send, and that it instantaneously it's going to go to the company and that you're going to have your email box full with your agent number today, and that is not true. Maybe one day it will be. But right now, all we're doing is we're streamlining the process of gathering your information. So we don't have to send you 20 contracts and say, here's a life, a health, a Medicare, a short-term company. Fill them out, send them back to us. You can go online and you can type in your name, address, background information once. The computer will save it. Then later, if you decide, I really do want to start selling more life insurance, you can go back into our program and click Motorist, GTL, West Coast, whoever you want to sell your life with. It will pre-populate the fields for you. Just remember, all it is doing is saving you that time of filling it out. We still have to then send it to each of the companies, and as you know, the companies take a long time to process it. Some companies much longer than others. That's something we can generally tell you, that so-and-so takes 2 weeks, so-and-so might take 16 days, so-and-so might have a 2-day turnaround. Typically, they take longer than you expect in almost every case. So it is a great way for you to have all your information stored there. Saves you time when you all of a sudden, I really need to get this done right now. You can go in, boom, fill out your contract in just a minute or two. You will have to click through every page of each contract because of the legal questions each contract asks might be a little bit different, but it is by far much easier on you to contract.
Is there, once I go through and I fill out my information and I click, do I have to send you anything? Or once I hit submit, am I done? How do you get a copy of my license? How do you get a copy of my E&O? How does that work?
The program itself will ask you at the end, it'll say, here's the fax cover sheet, print this out, sign it, because we'll need your signature to save that electronically, and then it will say, fax us a copy of your license with this cover page, fax us a cover of your E&O with this cover page, whatever it needs, it will ask you to fax directly to the programming company, and they will digitalize it, so by the time Gordon Marketing gets it, we're getting it in a digital file. And that's what we will then store online, so you won't have to send it to us again.
And then how will I know if a new major medical carrier is really, really hot and I should get contracted with them? Or how will I know about a new med sup in my state?
That's why you want to read our emails, talk to your marketers, go to our website, and find out what's hot in your area, what's hot in your market. It's going to vary tremendously from state to state, and sometimes that varies from every quarter to every quarter. What we don't want you to do is to go onto our computer contracting site and say, oh, there's 100 companies. Sign me up with all of them. That'll save time. It won't save you any time. We want you to actually contract with companies that you want to contract with. It's becoming a lot more selective. Most companies now are requiring E&O. We expect the E&O minimum thresholds to be going up. And many companies will not contract you if you have anything negative at all in your credit history. Several companies are re-backgrounding. They're checking your credit every year, even though you're already contracted. They're making you go through that every year to justify keeping your contract. Most of our life and annuity companies won't even take your contract until you have business to submit with it. So talk to our marketers, talk to all of our staff, read our emails, and we will help guide you what products you really need to get contracted with, and that there's no time saved really going in and just contracting with a bunch of companies that you might never sell with.
Great. Looking forward to doing business with you. If you have any questions, give us a call.